Attention New York residents, have you considered going solar to take advantage of the state's additional 25% tax incentive, but have been put off by the high cost of getting started? Then you need to watch this video. Solar Wholesale has exactly what you need to add solar to your home and take advantage of these incentives in your state, while helping you save a ton of money on the inflated installation costs of other companies. We offer you a complete do-it-yourself kit that empowers you to take solar into your own hands while saving you money. Not only will we provide you with everything you need in order to add solar to your home, but we'll also provide you with the instructions, the know-how, and the support to easily install your DIY kit. We make the process of going solar as simple as possible by overcoming the 3 obstacles people face when it comes to installing their solar. We'll design the plan set, walk you through the entire permitting process, and we'll give you all the pieces necessary to make this an easy and successful install. Click the link below to see how much money you can save today by going solar.